Take out the indoor unit and remove the plastic film. Open the front cover and install the communication wires. Please install according to the corresponding numbers on the signal line. Remove the indoor unit wall mount bracket. Install the indoor unit wall mount bracket. Make sure keep it balanced. Install the indoor unit. Now connect the copper pipe to the outdoor unit. Then tighten them with 2 wrenches. Install the communication wires to the outdoor unit. Same as the indoor unit, match the numbers. Install the power cord. Install the copper pipe to the outdoor unit. Use vacuum pump vacuum the copper pipe and indoor unit. The vacuuming time is about 20 to 25 minutes. Then close the pressure gauge valve, and keep the vacuum state for 20 minutes. If the vacuum pressure of the pressure gauge does not rise, it proves that the copper tube is not leaking. If the pressure rises, please check whether the copper tube and the copper tube joint are leaking. Open the high and low pressure valves. The installation is done. Enjoy it.